In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add downloadable documents on Wix step by step using Wix Studio. This is perfect if you want to let visitors download PDFs, guides, resumes, brochures, or any other files directly from your website. Whether you're building a business site, a portfolio, or a resource page, this method is simple, beginner-friendly, and works in 2026. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and website tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Wix account and open Wix Studio. Once you're inside the editor, navigate to the page where you want to add your downloadable document. This could be a resources page, a landing page, or even your home page. Make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward, because this is where the download button will appear. Next, look at the left-hand side of the editor and click on the Add Elements option. This is where Wix lets you add things like text, images, buttons, and more to your page. From the Add Elements panel, click on Buttons. Wix gives you a variety of button styles to choose from, so you can pick any design that fits your website. Go ahead and click on a button style, and it will be added directly to your page. Once the button is on your page, click on it to select it. Then open the button settings. Here, you can rename the button text to something clear like Download PDF, Download File, Get the Document, or whatever makes sense for your content. Clear labeling helps visitors understand exactly what will happen when they click the button. Now comes the most important part, linking the document. With the button still selected, look for the option to add a link. Choose the link option and then select Document as the link type. Wix will prompt you to upload a file if you haven't already. Upload your document, such as a PDF or Word file, from your computer. Once the upload finishes, select that document and confirm the link. At this point, your button is now connected to the downloadable file. When visitors click the button, the document will either download automatically or open in a new tab, depending on the file type and browser settings. You can resize or reposition the button on your page to make sure it looks good and is easy to find. After that, preview your site to test the button. Click the button in preview mode to make sure the document downloads correctly. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site to make the changes live. And that's it. You've successfully added a downloadable document to your Wix website using a button. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to share files with your visitors. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix Studio and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.